Hello, welcome back to this physics video. Today, student, we are going to learn it is about the question which is based on conversion. Okay, so in our previous topic, student, we have discussed over there that a few of the these prefixes. Okay, now over here that we are going to solve those question which is based on this conversion. So here the first part that you will see, fill in the blank is there. Okay, so very first question, that the volume of a cube upside 1 centimeter is equal to this dash dash cubic meter. Okay, so it means that length is given, this side is given to us. So side is given in 1 centimeter, and we have to find out over its volume, and they are asking us that you have to give your answer in cubic meter. Okay, so as we are known over there, what thing is this? It is a cube. So cube is what? Whose that of length, breadth and height, they are same. Okay, so therefore its volume, what it will be, student? So we are getting that volume is equal to length into breadth into height, and our demand is to convert this centimeter to meter. Okay, so therefore we have to look over here that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter is equal to 1 meter. Thus 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100, that meter, or either 1 centimeter equals to, we can take this 100 to up, and we can also write this 100, it is 10 की power minus of 2. Okay, so this is the important conversion over there, that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 की power minus of 2 meter. Okay, so now over here that we are having, it is what? That of length, breadth into height. So everyone is of 1 centimeter. Therefore, student, we are getting it is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, which in turn is equal to that of value. We can look that 1 centimeter is how much? It is 10 to the power minus 2. So minus of 2 meter, it is another, this 1 centimeter, it is 10 to the power minus 2 meter, another is there 10 to the power minus of 2 meter. Now all are going to multiply. So if all are going to multiply and the bases are same, so their power get added. ठीक है, जो सेम टर्म है उनकी जो पावर्स है वो प्लस हो जाती हैं. ठीक है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पर हमारे पास 10, ये भी 10 है, ये भी 10 है, दिस इज आल्सो 10, तो इनकी पावर ऐड हो जानी है. तो इसलिए कितना हो जाएगा? -2 प्लस -2, सो इट बिकम्स -4, देयर इट इज -6, so it is -6, and this is meter, meter, meter. So how many are these? 1, 2, 3. So it is cubic meter. So thus I get over here my answer, which is of 10 की power of -6 cubic meter. Okay, thus I have solved my this very first problem. Okay, now let us to look over here, student. It is the B problem. A problem we have solved just now. Now look up to this one. The surface area of a solid cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. So what is given to us? It is a solid cylinder. Just this one the diagram that we are looking over here for a solid cylinder. Okay, so we are having this is solid cylinder. Now it is given to us that the radius of this one, this is the radius. Here it is radius. It is the radius, and this is the height of this solid cylinder. Okay, here it is the height. So according to the question, student, they said to us that its radius. So I have supposed that radius is r, and which is according to the question, which is that of 2.0 centimeter, while that height it is of 10.0 centimeter. So this is height 10.0 centimeter. Now what is that our demand? So we have to find out surface area of solid cylinder. So surface area we have to find it out, and they are saying that while you are giving your answer, so you have to give it in that mm square. Okay, so you have to give your answer in mm square. So thus, student, our demand is to convert all these things first in mm, because our final answer is going to be in mm. Thus we have to learn over here this conversion. Then 1 centimeter equal to that of 10 mm. Okay, this is over there. Then how much will be this in mm? So I get that it is 2 into after decimal is 0, so therefore I'm going to remove this term over here, and it is 2 into that centimeter. So centimeter you will place it with 10 mm, and thus it is what, 20 mm. Okay, so how much is the radius? 20 mm, and thus this height, how much will it be? So it is 10 into 10, so this will come out to be 100 mm. Okay, so thus I will get over here, student, this height it is 100 mm, and this radius is of 20 mm. Okay, important. Now what is the formula of surface area? So student, this is surface area, it is given for solid cylinder, it is 2 pi r into r plus of h. Okay, this is the formula for the calculation. Now 2 is as it is, pi value is 3.14, and that's r value it is 20, so we have converted it into mm, so it is 20 mm into 20 plus 100. Okay, thus over here, student, what is over there? It is 3.14 into 2, so it is double of 3.14, so we get it is 6.28, and again double of this one, that we will get it is 12.56 into 0 was included with it, and inside what it will be, it is 100 plus 20, that 120. Okay, so now student, further that when you will multiply this one, and we will get this answer, then it is 15072. Okay, so this is the surface area, and which is in mm square. Okay, we got this one in mm square. So what we did for this one, whatever the values we were given with, so we have first converted them into mm, and thereafter we used the formula, and in this formula thereafter we did our calculation. Now let us to look over here for this C problem. So what is said over here, that a vehicle moving with the speed of 18 km per hour. So the speed is given to us 18 km per hour, and you have to give in it covers how many meter in 1 second. They are saying that हाउ मेनी मीटर इन 1 सेकेंड. ठीक है, तो 1 सेकेंड के अंदर ये कितना मीटर कन्वर्ट कर मतलब कि कवर कर रहा है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, इट मीन्स ये जो किलोमीटर पर आवर है, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर पर सेकेंड, and then we can give our answer from this. So for this student, therefore solution I'm taking. So the speed is given to us 18 kilometer per hour. Okay, and over here remember this conversion. ठीक है, कन्वर्जन अगर हमें याद होगी, सो वी कैन डू द कैलकुलेशन वेरी इजीली स्टूडेंट. जैसे किलोमीटर हमारे पास पर आवर, इफ़ आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर पर सेकेंड, तो किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर, इट इज़ 1000 मीटर. ठीक है, अपॉन में आवर में कितने सेकेंड, सो देर आर 3600 सेकेंड इन 1 hour. Okay, so these zeros is going to cancel, and we get that it is divided by 2, so we get that it is 5, and here it is 18. So thus I get over here that conversion is 5 by 18, that meter per second. So remember this one, that whenever we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, so we need to multiply over there with this 5 by 18 factor. Okay, so now student, over here I get that value, it is 18. Now kilometer per hour I want to convert it into meter per second, then I have to do that multiplication with this 5 by 18, so it will change into meter per second. So 18 will cancel over there, and it is 5 meter per second. Now you can tell over there, therefore how many meter it is going to cover in per second. So in per second it covers 5 meter. So this is our answer of this question. Okay, now let us look for this D part over here, student. The relative density of lead is 11.3. So its density is in gram per centimeter per cubic centimeter, और in किलोग्राम पर क्यूबिक मीटर. ठीक है, तो इसकी हमारे पास जो डेंसिटी है वो CGS यूनिट में और दूसरा SI यूनिट दोनों में पूछी गई है. और क्या बोला गया हमें, उसकी relative density दी गई, ठीक है. So over here D part student. So relative density in our 10th class we have this 9th standard we have this question. relative density यानी कि RD से लिखते थे हम, तो कितनी दी गई 11.3 दी गई, और किसकी दी गई है ये लेड की, ठीक है. दिस इज लेड relative density. But how do we write the formula of relative density? How do we find it out? So the formula of this relative density it was density of the substance. तो किसकी density है ये lead की, ठीक है. So it is Pb for lead, and upon में density of this water at 4 degree Celsius we are having, this is the formula, ठीक है. So density of the lead upon में density of water at 4 degree Celsius, it is equal to relative density. Okay, now they said us that to keep the answer in CGS as well as in SI. So for this student that if I have to give my answer in CGS, so my demand is over here how much is the water density in CGS system, ठीक है. तो CGS system में इसकी density कितनी होती है? So it is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. This is the density of water in CGS system, ठीक है. So therefore what will be then density of lead? So bring this one over here to the right, then you will get that density of this lead, it will be equal to relative density into density of water. Okay, so the student I will get over here that relative density of this the density of lead is equal to relative was 11.3, and how much is the density in CGS? It is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Thus I get that it is 11.3 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, this is my answer. So in CGS I have given its answer. Now student, if I have to give the answer in SI, so therefore density of water in SI system it is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter. This is that value of density of water in SI. So now that density of lead then in standard unit what it will be? So therefore relative density how much given to us 11.3, and how much is this value? It is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, so thus I get that it is 11.3. Decimal will go in divide in the form of 10, so this will cut its 1 0, so therefore it is 300 will come, only 2 0 will come over there. So thus I get it is kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, this is my answer for this question. So this is conversion over here from that relative density to this SI and CGS. Okay, now over here that in next question student, fill in the blank by suitable conversion of unit. Okay, so first is given to us. So A part of this second example, second question I am going to take over here. So they are saying that 1 kilogram meter square per second का square is equal to dash dash gram centimeter square per second का square. So they are saying that we are converting this standard unit into that CGS unit. Okay, so what the number will come over here, ठीक है. तो नंबर हमारे पास क्या आने वाला है स्टूडेंट? सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ओवर देयर. देखो किलोग्राम में कितने ग्राम्स आते हैं? सो इट इज 1000 ग्राम 10 की पावर, क्योंकि के क्या था? किलो है ना, प्रीफिक्स के किलो, तो इसलिए के का मतलब 10 की पावर 3 होता था, तो इसलिए 10 की पावर 3 ग्राम. नाउ ओवर देयर मीटर. So meter, how much is that in centimeter? So we are getting that 1 meter equals to that of 100 centimeter. It was 1 kilogram. So it was 10 की power 3 gram. Okay. Now next that we are having students second ka square. So no need of any conversion for this one. Okay. Therefore that left hand side it is 1 kilogram meter square per second ka square, which is equal to, now put over here this one, let it as that of kilogram. So kilogram I am going to replace it with that of 10 की power 3, this gram. And thereafter next it is meter ka square. So meter is given as 100 centimeter. 100 means 10 की power 2 centimeter. Okay, so thus it is 10 की power 2 centimeter का square. And second का square, that is same over there as to the right side. Okay, so thus I will have over here, student, it is 1, anything multiplied with 1, that will be only that term. Okay, so here how many zeros? So uh, all are going to multiply, all are in bracket, and that cross sign is there. Okay, so therefore it is to be noted that whenever there is the multiplication and there are the same terms, so their power will add. So it is 10, its power is 3, and here it is 10, its power is 2. So 10 plus this one, what wait, there is one more thing, that is our demand. So it is 10 की power 3 gram. Here it is whole square. Okay, so whole square, so square, then this power will multiply. ठीक है, स्क्वायर जब करना है तो अगर पावर की पावर होती है तो वो मल्टीप्लाई होती है, स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, सो दस आई विल गेट इट इज 10 की पावर 4. और सेंटीमीटर का भी होल स्क्वायर था, क्योंकि ब्रैकेट के अंदर सेंटीमीटर भी आ रहा है, तो इसका भी क्या हो जाएगा, होल स्क्वायर. सो दस आई गेट ग्राम वॉज इनिशियली, सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर ये बन गया, पर सेकेंड का स्क्वायर बन गया. नाउ दस here how much is the total power of 10? 3, and it is 4, 7 is there, and thus we get our answer. Okay, this is the conversion, and we got this answer. Okay, now let us look over here. This is the next B part of this question. So what they are saying, 1 meter equals to how many light year? Okay, so what is this B part over there? 1 meter equals to how many लाइट ईयर. ठीक है, तो लाइट ईयर में न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू क्या आएगी? सो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी शुड टू रिमेंबर, एक लाइट ईयर व्हाट इट वाज ओवर देयर, दैट हाउ मच इज द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय लाइट इन 1 ईयर. ठीक है, तो डिस्टेंस की यूनिट होती थी हमारे पास. सो ओवर देयर 1 लाइट ईयर दैट इट वाज 9.46 इंटू 10 की पावर ऑफ 15 मीटर, दस वाज ओवर देयर. एंड दे आर आस्किंग अस कि 1 मीटर में कितने लाइट ईयर होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, इतने सारे मीटर मिलकर के 1 लाइट ईयर बनाते हैं, तो 1 मीटर में कितने लाइट ईयर? सो टेक ऑल दिस वैल्यू इन द डिनोमिनेटर of this light year. Therefore 1 meter will be equal to 1 by this will come in the divide, so then it will be 9.46 into 10 की power of 15 light year. It is 15 light year. And on doing the calculation, we will get this one as 1.057 into 10 की power minus of 16 light year. This is the answer which we are having for this question. Okay, now over here, that I'm giving you 2 question in your homework. This is the C part. C part is what, that there is 3.0 meter per second ka square is equal to kilometer per hour ka square. But remember, don't use over here kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 this meter per second. Okay, why not to use this one? Because they are taking square. It is not over here any square. Okay, so remember that it is per second ka square, and it is per hour ka square. So this conversion, be careful by using this conversion. Okay, next, that D part is for your homework, so you can take the screenshot of this question. C and D is in your homework. So see, D part is there, gravitational constant value is given to us 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram ka square, and you have to convert it into that of CGS system. Okay, so what will be the value over here of this blank space? Okay, so hope so that you will do this calculation and you will give your answer in the comment, and that all those point which is discussed by me in this video, so you come to know properly about of them. Thank you for watching